Hey guys, welcome to question FM114 of the Further Maths Fortify Study Guide. And this question reads, the following graph shows the depreciating value of a jet ski. Now I've done a quick mock-up here showing that we've got one axis meaning dollars or value, and the other axis showing us the kilometers that the jet ski has traveled. The question says the graph could represent the jet ski being depreciated using, and then we've got a bunch of options. Now, the first thing that we could do looking at this question in this graph is get rid of option E. Now, the reason we can get rid of option E is because that's using a reducing balance depreciation with an initial value of 18,000 and a depreciation rate of 6%. And the reason we can get rid of that is because this trend or this pattern is linear. It's an arithmetic decrease, which means that and reducing balance means we're depreciating by, in this case, a rate of 6% per annum, and that amount would change each year and would look like a curved line instead of a straight line like this. So we're left with two main differences straight off the bat. Number one, we're looking at either flat rate depreciation or unit cost depreciation. And once again, we can get rid of two more options at this point. We can get rid of options A and B because we can see from looking at this graph that this graph is going to be using value or dollars in conjunction with kilometers. Now, the flat rate depreciations that we're given are 18,000 and a depreciation rate of $60 per year, and in option B, 60 cents per year. And the reason we can get rid of both of those is because we've got nothing to do with years in the information that we've been given. So it's a pretty safe bet that we're not going to be using it to find our answer. Options C and D. Now, the only difference between these two is whether we're depreciating by $60 per kilometer or if we're depreciating by 60 cents per kilometer. Finding the answer is just one quick calculation away. We can take a point, so we have a point right up the top. Now on your guys' graph, it's going to be a lot easier to see this, but we have that at 0 kilometers, the jet ski is worth $18,000. Sorry, that needs another 0. And after 5,000 kilometers, the jet ski is now worth 15,000. So the jet ski is worth 3,000 less, so that 18,000 minus 15,000 tells us that the jet ski is worth 3,000 less after it has traveled 5,000 kilometers. So if we take these two values, if we take the 3,000 less that it's worth, divide that by the number of kilometers the jet ski has traveled, we're going to get an answer of 0.06, sorry, not 0.06, 0.60, which is our dollars per kilometer depreciation, meaning that D is our correct answer and C is not. If you guys have any questions about that, drop them in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.